One, two, three, yeah. Well, I feel so restless, like I'm walking down a dead end street. I feel so restless, like I'm walking down a dead end street. Do I keep on moving? Do I just admit defeat? Well, it's 2 o'clock in the morning, and I'm just lying here. 2 o'clock in the morning, I'm just lying here. Just trying to get some things straight, just trying to make some things become clear. Well, I still feel so restless, like I'm walking down that same dead end street.